Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings right here and click on date and time. And you can either use network provided time, and now your date and time will be set up automatically, or you can turn off this option and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself, just like that. You can also change the time zone, so you can either use automatic option, which is network provided time zone, or you can switch it off and then select one from the following list. So at first you have to pick the region and then time zone. And also you can change the format of your clock, so you can decide if you would like to have dual clock or not, and if so, just select the second clock. And this is it. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just tap here and now you'll be back in automatic settings. And this is it. That would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.